Here we have our latest HID light kit for the RZR. This kit is a true high and low HID kit. This kit will come with a relay system that you will connect to the unit. Now the way this system works, it's very simple. These wires here will run down, they will connect to the ballast. As you can see, this connects here. Then this part here will connect to your bulb. Here's your bulb, it connects right here. This little wire here will connect this little wire here. This is what controls your high and low on your HID. The last wire will go to ground somewhere on the RZR. Same thing on the other side. Again, wires come down, they will connect to the ballast. These here will come over and connect to the bulb, and the last wire here will connect to the relay here, giving you true high and low, and you will then ground it. Last but not least, you are going to take this connection right here. This is what comes out of the factory light. Again, the factory bulb. This unplugs. It will plug then into this part here. You will only use one. Again, only one, because there's only one that goes to the unit. So when you unplug the other side, simply put some electrical tape around it and zip tie it out of the way. And last but not least, this wire here is for battery. Easiest spot to connect this to is if you have a contactor from the winch running from the battery, you can run this directly to your contactor, giving you positive. This is what makes sure every time you start the RZR, the lights will kick in, because there is a larger draw during startup, and when RZRs get older, the batteries get weaker. So this will always ensure that your lights will turn on every time. Any questions, you can give us a call at the shop, 815-321-3888, or drop us an email at theatvsuperstore@gmail.com. First, you need to determine where you're going to put the relay. On this system here, I'm just going to zip tie it right to the frame piece here. I'm then going to run the positive over to my contactor, since I have positive from the battery there. Then I'm going to find a couple spaces for ground. Let me get started. I have now connected my ballast to my harness. You can see the connection here. Also from the ballast over to the positive and negative on the bulb, and also the high and low switch. So when you turn the switch on, it tells the bulb to go up or down on the magnetic system. Last, I'm going to connect the ground to the frame. And again, here's the connection from the bulb to the relay. Again, on the other side, we have a second connection. This one here that goes from the bulb. I'm going to just tape this up and zip tie it out of the way. This one will not be used. Tie the rest of the wires here, and then the ballast back here. It's a good spot for it. So this side is done. I just have to find a spot to ground, and then I'm off to my next side. And that's it. Everything's wired up. I took the extra light connection that we don't use. I taped it up and tied it out of the way. And now we have HID lights, both high and low, by simply flipping the switch. Installation took me about 20 minutes. What takes the most time, of course, is finding where to put the wires and the ballast. But again, best spot for ballast are going to be right above the shock left and right side. And as for grounding, I just grounded the one side to the ground that comes with the unit, and I ground the other side to my horn. So, but whichever way you want to do it, that's how I did it. That's it. HID lights. Any questions, give us a call, 815-321-3888. My name is Thor, and I'm the owner of the ATV Superstore. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.